After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, your command center for church administration. Here you'll see at a glance total members in your congregation, upcoming events this month, budget status showing if you're on track, ledger accounts for financial tracking, active employees on your payroll. The sidebar on the left provides quick access to all modules. Let's explore each one.
First, let's set up your church settings. Navigate to the Church Settings section where you can configure your organization's basic information, including your church name, address, and contact details. This is the foundation of your account setup. Next, you'll want to manage your membership. The Membership section allows you to add and organize your church members, track their information, and maintain accurate records of your congregation. You can record individual donations, generate receipts, and maintain detailed giving records for tax purposes. The Ledger function provides a comprehensive view of all your financial transactions. Here you can track income and expenses, categorize transactions, and maintain accurate financial records. The Budget Report feature allows you to create and monitor your church's budget, comparing actual spending against planned allocations to ensure financial accountability. ChurchBooks3 also includes powerful management tools. The attendance tracking feature helps you monitor service attendance and participation. You can also manage events, track volunteer schedules, and generate reports to gain insights into your church's activities and engagement. Additional features include communication tools for reaching your congregation, reporting capabilities for board meetings and annual reviews, and customizable settings to tailor the software to your church's specific needs. Getting started with ChurchBooks3 is straightforward. Take your time exploring each section, and don't hesitate to use the help resources available within the platform.